Welcome to the Smart Local AI training video series. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to add a domain in Smart Local AI. Go to the left menu and click on Domain Setting. You can add your domain. Your domain name should be up to 12 characters in length and consist of only lowercase letters. Add description of your domain. Click on Save and your domain will be saved. You can view descriptions of your domain. You can also add your custom domain. You can edit or delete your domain. Thanks for watching the video.